Welcome to What's the Time, Mr. Wolf. This is another video of a beautiful watch I've wanted to do for a while, and it's the Victorinox Maverick Mechanical Swiss Army, and it really is a gorgeous watch. Full complement of items in the box, nice quality box, and then the watch. Look at that dial. Sapphire crystal, anti-reflective, scratch proof. Mechanical automatic with a see-through case back. There we are, look at that. That's a lovely looking watch. I like this a lot. Really high quality stainless steel case and bracelet, unidirectional rotating bezel with a grey top ring, as you can see, grey dial with luminous silver tone hands and index markers, nice red second hands, and the date is at 6 o'clock. The diameter is 43mm and the case size thickness is 12.2. Band width is 22mm and a fold over clasp with push button. Again, nice quality. I think they bring out some lovely watches, Victorinox. And of course it's a Swiss made watch. Power reserve is 38 hours and it's the ETA caliber 2824-2. £100 waterproof, which is roughly 330 foot. A very classy, understated watch. It's a good size at 40, excuse me a minute. Nice size at 43mm. Not overly big, not too small. A really lovely quality watch, and very reasonably priced too for an automatic with an ETA movement. Nice positive clicks, not any movement. Nice. That's the emblem on the side. And 24-hour markers in the middle, which is a nice touch. Yeah, someone will be very pleased with this. And it's nicely set up with everything that you need as well. Manual, warranty, card, leather box internally, and a nice case. Okay, that's a very brief look at the Victorinox Swiss Army Maverick Mechanical Automatic Swiss watch. Okay, thank you.